Hello students of grade 11 applied maths. Today we'll do chapter quantification and numerical application, and in this chapter we'll discuss about the clocks. Go through the introduction video before we start this. Okay, let's do question number 1. A bus leaves at 12:25 noon and reaches the destination at 10:45 a.m. That means the next day. Find the duration of the journey. So how to find the duration of journey? Just break it up, okay? 12:25 noon to 12:25 midnight would be 12 hours. Okay? And 12:25 midnight to, you have to find 10:45 a.m. will be how many hours? You just count 12:25, 1:25, 2:25, 3:25. Just marking 1:25, 2:25, 3:25, 4:25, 5:25, 6:25, 7:25, 8:25, 9:25, 10:25. Till 10:25 is how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hours. And how many minutes? Till 10:25 is 10 hours, okay? And 20 minutes left. So total time will be, duration will be, you have to add both, so that will be 22 hours 20 minutes. Okay, let's do question number 2. How many times in a day are the hands of the clock at right angle? Same like you have learned. You have learned this point. Let's just check. In a period of 12 hours, both the hands are in the same straight line 22 times, 11 together, and opposite to 11. Okay, 11 times together, 11 times opposite side in a straight line. Similar way in right angle also, it will be 22 times in 12 hours. Okay, straight line is 22 times. Similarly, right angle also 22 times. So how many times they are asking in a day are the hands of a clock at right angle triangle or right angle? So in 12 hours it is always 22 times. So it will be, in a day there's 24 hours. You have to know that 12 hours is 22 times. So in 24 hours, or in a day, one day, it will be 2 into 22, that is 44 times. Okay, one day means 24 hours. Similarly, this one also, in how many times in a day the hands of the clock are straight? So 12 hours it is always 22 times. So in one day this will be 2 into 22 times, that is 44 times. Next, how many times in a day do the hands of a clock coincide? Coincide means they meet together. Okay, so you have to know that in a straight line there in 12 hours is 22 times. So 22 times means once they are coinciding and once they are in opposite direction. So in one day they are in the straight line 44 times. So in one day, or just say in 12 hours, they are in a straight line 11 times. Okay, they are coinciding 11 times. Coinciding means, I'll show you. So this is just coinciding or starting. Okay, so we have to do like that. They are coinciding in 12 hours one time. They are coinciding. Okay, try again. So 2 times, do it again. 3 times. So they're coinciding 4 time. They're coinciding 5 time. This is 6 time. This is 7 time. This is 8 time. This is 9 time. This is 10 time, and the last one is 11 time. So they coincide 11 time, okay, in 12 hours. That means in one day it will be 2 into 11, that is 22 times. Clear? Next, through what angle does the minute hand of a clock turn 5 minutes? So you know that in 1 minute it's always 6 degrees, so 5 minutes will be 5 into 6, that is 30 degrees. Next, same, in an accurate clock, find the angle of trace by a minute hand in a period of 2 hours 20 minutes. So 2 hours 20 minutes you convert into minute, okay? 2 hours 20 minutes. So in 2 hours how many minutes? 2 into 60 and plus 20. That is 120 plus 20 is, they are together 140 minutes. So we know that in 1 minute angle is 60 degree. So in 140 minutes the angle will be 140 into 6 degree. Multiply 0, 6 4 is 24, 6 1 is 6 7 8 40 degree. So we have converted into minutes and we got for 150 minutes, okay? How many rotation will the hour hand of a clock complete in 72 hours? So you have to know that in one rotation of a clock it is always 12 hours. So in 72 hours how many rotation will be there? So number of rotation in 72 hours will be 72 divided by 12, because in 1 hour there are 12 rotation. So cancel it by 12, we're getting 6 rotation. Okay, you can pause the video to write the solution. Let's do question number 8 now. I hope you can see the question. Find the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock when the time is 8:30. So 8:30 means 8 hours past 30 minutes. So when you convert into time, it will be 8 in hours, 30 by 60. So we're getting 8 1 by 2 hours, 17 by 2 hours. 17 by 2 hours, okay? Now your question is, when it is 8:30, find the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand when it is 8:30, okay? So you have to find hour hand will be, since this is this much, in 1 hour it covered 30 minutes, so 17 by 2 into 30. So angle will be, remember, okay, in 1 hour the hour hand moves 30 degree. I've explained this in the introduction video. So angle traced by hour hand will be, if you cancel, I multiply by 30, because in 1 hour it covers 30 minutes. The hour hand covers 30 degree, not 30 minutes, 30 degree. So 15, you are getting 255 degree. Now we'll find the angle traced by minute hand. minute hand means 30 minutes means you'll multiply. Minute hand cover 6 degree in 1 minute, so angle traced by minute hand in 30 minutes will be 30 into 6 degree, so it will be 6 3 is 180 degree. So what is the difference in these two angles you are going to find? Angle between the minute hand and the hour hand. Therefore, angle between minute hand and hour hand will be, you have to subtract which one is bigger number. Take this one first, so we're getting 75 degree. So pause the video and write. This one will be your homework. We'll do the in the same way. First, find the convert into hours. 3 hours 40 minutes. Convert into hours and find the angle traced by hour hand. Then find the angle traced by minute hand and subtract. Okay. So answer for this is 130 degree. You must get 130 degree. Similar method. Let's do question number 10. At what time between 3 to 4 will the hands of a clock coincide? So you have to write 3 to 4. 3 to 4 o'clock. Okay. 3 to 4 o'clock, when they will coincide, they are asking. Okay. So you have to find the time space. Okay. And use watch also, no problem. See, at 3 o'clock, you have to know that the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. For example, this is not 3 o'clock, this is 12 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, just check the watch. This is 3, isn't it? At 3 o'clock, the minute hand is in 12 and the hour hand is in 3. So what is the time space between this? How many minutes? 15 minutes. So time space is 15 minutes. So these two to be together, they need to cover up 15 minute time space, then only they will be together. So you have to find at what time of 3 o'clock 3 to 4 will they coincide. So since the time space is given 15 minutes, so you can use for relative gain of 15 minute space, what will be the actual time? Actual gain will be, the formula is always 60 by 55. For 15 minutes we'll multiply by 15. Cancel it. 5 3 times, 5 11 times, we are getting 180 by 11. So 11 1 is 11, 11 6 is 66. You are getting 16 4 by 11 minute. So therefore you can say the hands, it means both minute hand and hour hand will coincide. When they will coincide? 16 4 by 11 minute past 3. This much minute past 3 they will coincide. Okay, because the time is from 3 to 4, so past 3. This much minute past 3 they will coincide. So similarly you have to do question number 11 also. check the time space, how much time space is there. I think you will get 45 minutes of time space from 9 to 10 to coincide. So here we did for 15 minutes, here you will do for 45 minutes and get the answer. Okay, and your answer will be 49 1 by 11 past 9. Okay, minute 9. So you can pause the video and write. This is your homework. Let's do question number 12. I hope you can see everything. Let's do question number 11 or 12. Timing is from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. At what time between 7 to 8 will the hands of a clock be in the same straight line, not together? Not together means not opposite direction, together. They will be coinciding. Okay. So at 7 o'clock, the minute hand is in 12. I'll just take it to 7 o'clock. You can also use this. Oh, this is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, the minute hand is at 12 and our hand is at 7. Okay. Now when they will be in a straight line, not together means not coincide. Okay, I did not see the question properly. They said not together means they are not coinciding, but they are in a straight line. So when they will be in a straight line, so they will be in a straight line. If you see the clock, after how many minutes they will be in a straight line? From here to here, if it comes 5 minutes, they will be in a straight line. Yes or no? So time space here is only 5 minutes, so that they can be in a straight line in opposite direction. Okay, not together in opposite direction. So it moves from here to here, only 5 minutes. So time space here is 5 minutes. Now using that formula for relative gain of 5 minutes, what will be the actual gain? Actual gain will be 60 by 55 into 5. Cancel it. 5, 11. You are getting 60 by 11. If you divide it, you will get 5 by 11 minutes. So they will be in a straight line. When they will be in a straight line? Will be in a straight line, but not together at 5 by 11 minutes past 7. Okay. Similarly, you'll do this one homework similar to question number 12. At what time between 8 to 9 will the hand of the clock be in the same straight line but not together? Similar question, not together. The minute hand and the hour hand must be together. You need to find the time space. You can use clock also, no problem. You can use watch also, no problem. The answer you must get here is question number 14. The answer must be 27 3 by 11 past 8 o'clock. Okay, past 8 you have to find. Okay, you must get this answer. Let's do question number 14. At what time between 8 to 9 will the hands of the clock be at right angle? Between 8 to 9. So I'll just take this clock to 8. See, this is 8. Okay, 8 o'clock. 6, 7, 8. This is 8 o'clock. So when it will be at right angle. So if you move, I think you have to move 25 minutes to make it right angle. See, you're moving 25 minutes to make it right angle. So time space here is 25 minutes. So for relative gain of 25 minutes, space actual gain will be 60 by 55 into 25. Cancel it. 5, 5, 5, 11. So you are getting 300 by 11. If you can convert into mixed fraction, you will get 27 3 by 11 minutes. So at what time it will be something? So it will be, I'm just writing directly, okay, at 27 3 by 11 minute past 8. It will be right angle. Okay, this is the answer. 27 3 by 11 minute past 8. This will be the hour hand and the minute hand will become right angle at this time. Let's do question number 15. Writing part I have written in advance. The question is, what time between 3 to 4 does the clock shows if the hands of the clock is 18 minutes space apart? So we have to go for 18 minutes space apart. Okay, now at 3 the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. That means the space is 15 minutes. I'll just take the clock to 3. See, at 3 they are 15 minutes, okay, apart. They're 15 minutes apart. That means they can be 18 minutes apart if it cross the hour hand, because 15 minutes apart is less than 18 minutes and we need to find the difference of 18 minutes, and it is possible when it cross the hour hand and it goes somewhere here and there, we don't know, that will be 18. We have to cross the hour hand, because if you get close to the hour hand it is becoming less than 15 minutes, so you have to cross the hour hand to get the 18 minutes. So I have written this. So that means 15 minutes space apart is there. That means minute hand 18 minutes, for minute hand 18 minutes space ahead of minute hand has to be 18 minutes space ahead of the hour hand. Okay, I have to write is 18 minutes space ahead of our hand. It must be ahead of our hand. That means we have to add 15 plus 18, because if it has to cross 15 minutes, so 15 plus 18 is coming 33. So for relative time space, actual time is what? Formula is 60 by 55 into 33. Cancel it. 11 3, 11 5, 5 12. We're getting 36 minutes. So the question is, at what time between 3 to 4 there will be 18 minutes and there will be a 18 minutes space apart. So the timing will be at 3:36, okay, PM, because 36 minutes you are getting. So at exactly 3:36 the hour hand and minute hand will be 18 minutes space apart. Okay, similarly we'll do this one also. Between 9 to 10 the hands of a clock 9 to 10, so I'll take the clock to 9. You can use your own watch to do this. This is 9, okay, so 9 o'clock. Your question is, at what time between 9 to 10 will the hand of a clock 23 minutes space will be there? So at 9 o'clock the hand is at 12, minute hand is at 12, and the hour hand is at 9. So the space is 45 minute space is there. But you need 23 minute space apart. That means how much minute you have to subtract. So you have to subtract, because this 45 minutes is more than 23 minutes, so you have to subtract to get the, and the minute it will not cross the hour hand. Okay, like last question, it will not cross the hour hand. It must be behind the minute hand. It must be behind the hour hand only. So it may be somewhere here 23 minutes, we don't know. So we have to subtract. Like in question number 15, we have to add. If we are not crossing, we have to subtract. Okay, if we are not crossing the hour hand, we have to subtract. So minute hand is 23 minutes space behind hour hand, so we minus, and we're getting 22 minutes space. Now for 22 minutes space, actual time will be, formula is 60 by 55 into, you got 22, cancel 11 to 11, 5 12, so we're getting 24 minutes. So at what time there will be 23 minutes space? It will be at 9:24. Okay, they did not give the AM PM, so at 9:24. Okay, so pause the video to write all the solution. Thank you.